Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? So today we discuss about the cultural geography of Asia. So religion. Some religions that are found in Asia are Buddhism, Hinduism, Confucianism, Taoism, Shintoism, Islam, Christianity, and other so many. Sometimes Asia is known as cradle of religion. Hinduism. So Hinduism is an ethnic religion because it appeals mainly to people in India. Most Hindus in the world live in India. Hinduism is one of the oldest religion in the world. Its origins can be traced back to 2500 to 3000 BC or in earlier. Hinduism does not have one founder. It is based on teaching of holy men and revealed truth over a long period of time. Some sacred texts in Hinduism are the Vedas, Upanishad, Sutras. Some basic beliefs of Hinduism are Brahma is the super spirit, but it can take many forms. Hinduism considered by some to be polytheistic. Atma, the soul of person. Karma, reincarnation. Moksha, the ultimate goal of life is the union of Atma and Brahma. The caste system is a system of social organization in India that is connected with Hinduism. Basically, when you are born into a certain level of society. The castes are Brahmins, teachers, priests, Kshatriyas, soldiers, Vaishyas, skilled workers, Shudras, manual worker, Dalits, people outside the caste system. Hinduism. The caste system led to discrimination in India and it has been outlawed, but some people still believe in it and practice it. Buddhism related to Hinduism and shares many of the same basic beliefs. The relationship between Buddhism and Hinduism is similar to relationship between Christianity and Judaism. Buddhism was founded by a man named Siddhartha, who was born around 5 to 400 BC in Nepal. The religion quickly spread to other parts of the Asia and was a major religion in Asia for a time. However, most people are Hindu in India today. The Four Noble Truths. Life is suffering. Suffering is caused by want or desire. There is a way to end suffering. The way to end suffering is light eightfold path. The eightfold path is right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right concentration. Buddhists believe in karma and reincarnation. Buddhism is a major religion in Southeast Asia and is practiced in China, Korea and Japan. Countries that are predominantly Buddhist are Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Myanmar. The spirit of Buddhism into Southeast Asia, Korea, Japan, China, Vietnam. Khmer Sri Vijaya. Dharma wheel. Taoism is a religion or philosophy that began in China around 5 to 400 BC. Traditions say that Taoism is based on the teaching of Lao Tzu. The Tao teaching is a collection of Lao Tzu's teaching. The Tao is called Great Mother. empty yet inexhaustible. It gives birth to an infant word. It is always present within you. You can use it in any way you want. Yin Yang symbol. Confucianism. Confucianism is a philosophy that began in China around 4 to 500 BC. It is based on teaching of Confucius. Confucianism is concerned mainly with social organization. It emphasizes respect for elder and education. Shintoism. Shintoism is a native religion of Japan. Shintos worship kami, spirit. Sometimes kami live in a specific place such as river, mountain and lakes, and sometimes they are major natural objects such as sun, moon. Small Shinto shrine. Trolley. Tonki, a Japan recon spirit. Tonki road sign. Islam is started in Saudi Arabia around 600 AD, and it is spread into its part of the Southeast and East Asia. Countries that are predominant Islam are Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia. Christianity was brought to Asia by Europeans who colonized the part of Asia and controlled some countries. The Philippines is predominantly Roman Catholic. They are mainly Catholic in Vietnam and in East Timor. Respect for ancestors. Many Asian cultures venerate and even worship ancestors. This belief has been incorporated into Asian religion and belief system. Conflicts. India and Pakistan both claim a region called Kashmir. Part of the problem is based on religion. Pakistan is a Muslim country and India is a Hindu country. East Timor is a small country in Southeast Asia that was created in 2002. It used to be part of Indonesia, but most people in East Timor are Catholic. The source of this conflict is based on cultural difference. East Timor. So this is all about the Asia, different religions of Asia, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment on our videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.